Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix the item not found could not find this item error when deleting a file or folder. Folder has no files. File size is 0 bytes. Hold Shift key and right click, click copy as path. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type RD space, /s space, /q space, \\\, question mark, \. Paste already copied the folder path. Folder is successfully deleted. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.